Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ever thought about making your own IPTV service? You're in the right place. Before we dive in, let's talk about the best IPTV provider out there, 2TV.store. Reach out to Nancy for stellar customer support as we venture into creating your custom IPTV. Curious about the process? It's simpler than you think. Let's get our hands busy. To begin with, gather the essential tools like a robust internet connection and IPTV-ready devices. These are your foundation for a seamless IPTV setup experience, ensuring smooth streaming. Next, let's delve into the software realm. We'll survey some user-friendly IPTV applications that cater to beginners. Explore features that allow customization to meet your viewing preferences. Time to execute. Launch the software and input the details. With every click, take notice of the intuitive interface that guides you seamlessly from one setup step to another. Congratulations! You've now tailored your very own IPTV service. Delve into a world of limitless content, all customized for you. Remember, creativity and technology are your best allies.